I'm about to reveal 3 surprising truths that will transform your tiny aloe vera into a pup-producing powerhouse. Today, you will discover the exact methods that trigger explosive offset production. And with this, hello plant lovers, I'm Nishat Suba. I'm a plant expert, and if you have been struggling to get pups from your aloe vera, then this video is for you. Here is the first game-changing secret. Aloe vera produces pups when it feels crowded and survival stressed. This mimics their natural desert environment where space is limited. Keep your aloe in a slightly snug pot, not oversized. The roots need to fill about 80% of the container space. This triggers the plant's reproductive response, sending out those precious offsets. But here is the crucial part. Repot every 12 to 18 months into a pot that's only 1 to 2 inches wider, keeping the pups attached. This maintains the perfect balance of stress and growth. Method number 2 is all about the soil mix. Stressed, suffocated roots will never produce pups, and soggy soil is the enemy of reproduction. I have a detailed video on aloe vera plant potting soil mix that is prepared with balancing the gritty mixture and moisture holding materials. You can try that out because that gives perfect environment for the roots to grow. When roots can spread easily, that's exactly when offsets begin to sprout. Video link in the description box and pinned comment. The third method might surprise you. Strategic leaf removal. By cutting 2 to 3 outer older leaves close to the soil line, you are sending a powerful signal to your plant. This mimics natural grazing stress that aloe experiences in the wild. When the plant thinks it's under threat, it redirects energy from leaf formation into creating survival offsets, the pups. But don't overdo this method. Remove only the outermost mature leaves and only do this every few months. Think of it as strategic stress, not plant abuse. So there you have it. For the complete guide with details, measurements, soil recipes, and troubleshooting tips, check out our comprehensive blog post linked in the description. And if this helped you, smash that subscribe button. We are growing the ultimate plant parent community here. What's your biggest aloe vera challenge? Drop it in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.